Hey, hello everyone, this is Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you 5 passive income ideas for 2020. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. So if this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm gonna reveal 5 passive income ideas for 2020. Okay, and not just for 2020, it can be for 2021, 2022, and so on. Okay, first of all, you need to understand that passive income takes time or money. Okay, this is not something that is going to happen overnight. I know there's a lot of people out there that are telling you that you are going to be successful in 30 days. Well, no, chances are that that's not going to happen. This is a journey, okay? This is a lifestyle. This is like a commitment that you need to have with yourself. So you need to understand this. If you really want to make money passively, at the beginning, it's going to take time or it's going to take money. Why it's going to take time? Because you need to learn some skills, okay? Unless you have them right now, that's going to take time. It's going to take practice. It's going to take effort. And most people just quit. Okay, they can do it. I think everybody have the potential, but it's just a mindset. It's a mindset, it's style, it's a commitment that you're gonna have with your success. And if you don't have the time, you need to be aware that you need to invest money. Okay, if you're not gonna do the systems, right? If you're not gonna put that first effort, right? You need to hire someone who's gonna do it for you. So I want you to take that into consideration. But let me tell you something, okay? I started, this online journey not so long ago. By the time I'm recording this video, it's a little bit over a year. And right now I have several passive income streams. But I decided it doesn't matter how long it's going to take. If I need to sacrifice my weekends, if I need to sacrifice, going to parties or spend some time with the family for a year and a half, 2 years, 3 years, even 5 years. But after that, everything is going to be passive income. It's going to be worth it. At least that's what my mindset was. That's my commitment with myself. And it took me less than a year to accomplish. Okay. But I can tell you that I sacrificed my weekends. I sacrificed my nights. But it's totally worth it. So I want you to take that into consideration. The very first model about how to make passive income, it's called arbitrage, or sometimes people call them drop service. Okay, what is this? Basically, you're gonna buy low and you're gonna sell high. Okay, we're gonna hire, okay, not full time, okay, just per hour or per project. We're going to hire these freelancers who have skills, okay? They can be a graphic designer, they can be web designer, they can do SEO, We're going to hire them. And we are going to be the middleman, okay? So we're going to buy low and we're going to sell high, okay? We are not going to be the ones who are doing the job. That's why it's passive income. But we are going to be in touch with the customer, okay? Where are you going to get these freelancers? Well, you can get them on Upwork, you can get them on Fiverr, okay? So this is a very first way in which you can actually have passive income, okay? So a lot of people out there, they quote unquote don't start an online business because they don't have any kind of skills. Don't worry, you just don't need to have the skills. You just need to have the vision. Okay, you need to go, where do you want to go? How do you see yourself in the future, right? Again, and this is a business model that's going to help you, if you decide to get started. Okay, so basically you're going to buy low and you're going to sell high. If you are thinking wow, so I'm going to buy low, that's some kind of unethical. No, that's business, okay? That's business. Let me tell you something. Right now, chances are that the t-shirt that you're wearing was not made in America, and you are in America. Okay, so maybe it was made in China, maybe in Vietnam, maybe in India, and so the provider, they buy it low, but they sell it high because maybe you went to the mall, maybe you purchase it on Amazon. Okay, so you're getting the idea. So this is the very first passive income idea or business model. The second one, something that I like, YouTube. I know YouTube is not for everybody. Not everybody wants to be in front of camera, but I decided to give it a try. At the beginning, my videos weren't that great. Okay, I'm still improving. So I decided to give it a try, and I decided to have a commitment with myself. I did a 90-day challenge, and I can tell you it was worth it. Right now, my channel, and by the way, I have 2 YouTube channels. They're monetized with Google AdSense, so that means that every single time you're watching a video, I'm going to be making money, so that's great. Also, because of the topics that I'm, developing on my videos, I'm generating leads to the different products that I promote. I'm going to be mentioning that more about that in a moment. Okay, the system, in this case, the videos are going to be working for me 24/7. Okay, if for any chance I'm sick, and by the way, I'm suffering from migraine, so every now and then I have migraine and I cannot record videos. It doesn't matter because my previous videos, they are there working for me, building relationship with people, teaching people certain things, helping them, right? So it's a win-win situation. Again, if you produce content and you decide that, hey, I'm not going to sell anything, don't worry, you're going to be making money with Google AdSense. You're not going to get a millionaire, but it's good amount of money if you have a lot of videos. Let me tell you something really important. Again, a lot of people quit because right now, by the time recording this video, you need to have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. And to reach your first 100 subscribers, oh my God, it's going to take time. Okay, after that, it's going to be like a snowball effect, getting your first 500 subscribers, your first 1,000 subscribers, and so on. It's going to be way easier. But that first milestone, it's complicated. Okay, so I want you to take that into consideration. This is something that I really like because, again, it's working for me 24/7, and it can work for you. Another way in which you can do it, if you don't want to go with YouTube, you can create your own blog. Okay, it's going to be the same concept. You are creating content, people are searching for that content. You can monetize it with Google AdSense. You can put ads on it. It's going to generate leads for you, and it's going to be working for you 24/7. Okay, I can tell you because at the time I'm filming this video, I'm not blogging. Okay, but I'm going to start doing that in the future. But I'm recording videos, and I do have experience with blogging. Okay, that's what I was doing before. I was not in camera, but I was, writing articles. So it's exactly the same concept. Now, remember that I told you that I'm selling products? Well, it's because I do affiliate marketing. Okay, this is a business model that you can start as soon as right away because you don't have to create a product or a service. The product and the service is already there for you to promote. Okay. Most people understand that, this is like referral marketing, right? You're going to match someone who have a problem with a solution, and that solution is going to be the product that you're going to be promoting. A lot of people do this with Amazon. The truth is that I really don't like to do it that way with Amazon, first of all, because the margins aren't that great. And I don't like to deal with physical products, again, because of the margins. So it's not worth for me. But I know that there is a lot of people who are crushing it that way. The way I like it, it's by promoting recurring affiliate programs. Okay? This usually happens with membership sites. It can be educational websites, or it can be softwares. Okay? As an example, I'm promoting one that it's called Builderall. By the way, if you want to check it out, I'm going to leave the link below so you can get full details. So Builderall, it's paying me every single month, okay? Whenever I refer someone, they are paying me every single month as long as the user that I refer is keep active, okay? Let me tell you like an easy example. Let's say that right now we're having a conversation and I'm like, hey, I want to know what's the best internet provider. And you told me the best internet provider is Y, okay? XYZ company, right? So I go to the XYZ company and I told them that you are the one who refers me, right? So they're gonna pay you a percentage every single time I pay my monthly fee as long as I stay active. Okay, so if I keep using the service for a year, for 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, you got it, the idea? You're gonna keep getting payments for these companies. So this is something that I want you to take in mind. It's recurring affiliate programs. And by the way, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation, I'm going to leave the link below. It's going to be the very first link in the description. Okay. So this is how I'm actually making money with affiliate marketing in a passive way. Okay. Because I don't have to be worried like, hey, I need to be sending tons of traffic every single month. I need to be getting tons of leads every single month, right? Okay, no, because I do have a system in place, right? I know that whenever I get a sale, that person is gonna love the service and he or she is gonna stay. So you can do actually the same. Okay. The other model, it's email marketing. Everybody right now, we are on someone else's email list. Okay? That's a fact. That's for sure that you are somehow on someone else's email list. This is what is also called email automation. Email automation. And let me tell you, okay, if you decide to download like a PDF or watch a free mini course, actually you are introducing your name, your email, or sometimes you are not introducing your email, sorry, your name, but just your email, right? So you receive an email right away with the access to the course or with the PDF that you're going to download. Okay, it's not that the person is there waiting to see who introduced his or her email address. Okay, they already create an email sequence. You can do that as well. I know at the beginning it can be tough. Yeah, it's a learning curve. From worry, don't give up. Okay, something really important. Don't give up, right? And they do have an autoresponder. Okay, they do have an autoresponder that is sending people's emails every single day or as long as the person configures the emails. Okay, so you're going to be receiving emails that sometimes it's going to be valuable information, other times it's going to be a pitch about a product or service, it's going to be asking you questions, okay, it's going to be teaching you something. So this is the power of email marketing. Okay, the bigger your list, the more money you're going to make. Okay, so don't worry. I know like there is a lot of people who says like, hey, at least you need to have a month of automations. If you can start with just 7 emails, that's okay. You're going to be creating content during the year and you can be adding those follow-ups to your email sequence. Okay, so I want you to take that in mind. That's actually how I build my email automation sequence. I started with, I don't remember right now, it was 7 or 10 emails. And, every single time I have an idea or I have a content that I want to share, I send it like a broadcast email. So that means that I type it in manually, right? And then I add that content to my automation. Okay. So this is really, really powerful. It's a great passive income idea because it doesn't matter what you're doing. If you don't even have internet, okay, the email automation service, the autoresponder is going to be working for you. Last but not the least, it's by using paid ads. Okay, by using paid ads, you can promote your own business opportunities. You can promote your own service. You can promote your own product. You can do affiliate marketing, right? But you need to create a funnel. My favorite funnel builder, it's actually Builderall. Again, if you decide to give it a try, I'm gonna leave the link below so you can check it out. So I create a funnel and I use pay ads. I can use solo ads, I can use YouTube ads, I can use Google ads, Facebook ads. I'm not really good with Instagram ads, but people are using it. So I can drive traffic again to a landing page, right? People are going to put in their name, their email. Remember what I told you about the email marketing sequence. Depending on the product that I'm promoting, I can do direct linking. That means that I can put the link of the product that I'm promoting right away. So if someone type in the name of the company that I'm promoting or the name of the product that I'm promoting, they're going to click and they're going to make the purchase. So we're going to get a commission. Okay. So this is actually pay ads. There is a learning curve of this. A lot of people get frustrated because you can waste a lot of money or you can burn a lot of money, but that's part of the learning curve. That's part of the learning process that you need to do, before you get an expert. That's okay. But again, if you really might want to make passive income, if you want to know what's my number one recommendation, I'm going to leave the link below. It's going to be the very first link in the description. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to help me. It's going to help my video. It's going to help my channel. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below if you have some questions or comments. And I see you on the next video.